Today we are cleaning some solar panels, and I'm doing it in the easiest way that I could think of. We're literally using one of the gas station like squeegee things. I ended up buying one down here in Mexico for about 48 pesos, which is about $2.45. I looked it up, but we had to make our own little stick because it wouldn't fit, and we're cleaning about 10 solar panels for our neighbor, so I wanted a little bit of a longer thing so we could easily, clean those things off. We didn't need a ladder up here. We're just kind of climbing up on the gate. I just wanted to make this video, guys, to show you guys that you don't really need all this stuff. We got some buckets here. We got the water up on the roof. Didn't even have a hose or nothing. We're literally just using buckets to kind of splash the water on there. But, for all the people that ask me, what kind of tools, what kind of equipment do you need to get started? And the answer is really just, whatever you can afford. However you can get started the fastest is always going to be my approach. You don't need like fancy equipment to do anything. Even up in America, like I have the nice deionized filtered water that I use. I got the nice brushes, I got the nice truck and all that sort of stuff. But literally for $2.45, I'm able to come out here, do a good job, clean these panels off, and they're going to look great. You guys will see at the end. And that is really how I first started when I came into the game. As you guys may know, I had a Toyota Corolla. I put a ladder rack up on there. I would drive around to customers' houses with the most basic tools, and I was still making money, guys, and I was still doing a great job. And I've had nothing less than a 5-star review ever. So in the 3 years of me doing business, that is saying something. So I hope this clears up some of the questions you guys may have had about the tools and equipment you need to start, solar, roof, gutters. I have a book down below that teaches you all about this sort of stuff. So if you want to check that out, go for it. But other than that, like whatever you guys need to get started, whatever you have is the most important takeaway from all this. Whatever's going to make you money the quickest, and doing a great job is crucial. And as for the deionized water, I do not have my filtered water system down here in Mexico, and honestly I don't think it really matters at all if you have filtered water or not. If you want to use filtered water, great, but if you don't, I don't really think it matters. It's just fucking water. We're just cleaning it. They're still gonna look really good. Some people really get angry when I say that for some reason, but we're literally cleaning these panels for free, and they looked great because they're for our friend. We want to make sure we do a great job even though we're not charging, because up in America, a minimum job would be about $200. And my average solar panel job is probably $300 because they usually have double this amount of panels. These ones are just for this little store down here, so really nothing crazy. But just cleaning the dust off, which in most areas you should probably do every 6 months to a year. So even if it's raining, there's still gonna be dust and pollen that builds up on the panels, and it blocks the efficiency. So after a few months, you're gonna get less efficiency than obviously when they were brand new. So keep that in mind when you're cleaning your panels. You want to make sure they're putting out the maximum output. So whether you're an exterior cleaning business owner trying to add this service onto your business, or you're just a homeowner trying to keep your panels clean, all you need is some water, a brush of some sort, and just rinsing it down, cleaning off, brushing it down, and that is going to be the easiest and best way to clean panels that I have personally found.
We even need the hose. We even need the hose when you got a bucket.
And boom, just like that, we got some nice clean solar panels. So if you guys like this content, feel free to subscribe. If not, cool. Either way, get after it, make that money. Let's go.